Ayan, bagong luto ang chocolate chips oatmeal cookies. So delicious. So watch my video. Hello guys, ito na ating mga ingredients natin. So kailangan natin ng 2 cup APF, 1 baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup butter softened, 1/2 cup sugar, white sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 3 eggs, vanilla, 1 cup oatmeal, at saka 1 cup chocolate chips. So guys, kung wala kayong chocolate chips, pwedeng gumamit ng ibang ingredients. Okay, tulad ng raisins, peanuts, ganun. Okay? So yan guys, tapos na ating pag-mix. So ilagay na natin yung ating butter sa ating sheet pan. Okay, so sa paglalagay ng butter, kasi ang ginawa ko ay measuring cup lamang, nilagyan ko muna ng oil yan para hindi siya madikit. So, kung mayroon kayong mga scoop ng pang ice cream, mas maganda yon. So, ayan na guys. I-bake na natin ng 15 to 16 minutes. Okay? Or, ang maging kulay nito ay light brown. So, hintayin natin. So, ito na guys ang ating finished product. So, bago nating tikman, so palamigin muna natin yan. So, ayan na, pinakamasarap na chocolate chips oatmeal cookies. Yan, sarap. Okay, try this one and don't forget to subscribe with my channel and click the bell for the notifications.